Hello students. Today in this video we'll be taking up the problems of Indian agriculture and the overall position of agriculture since 1950 to 1990, that is for 40 years. So the first topic what I am going to cover is problem of Indian agriculture. So the first problem is rapid increase in the population. Due to the agricultural development and requirement of more people to work on the farms, there was a rapid increase in the rapid increase in the population. Second point is conservative outlook of the farmers. The farmers were not really very eager to adopt and adapt the changes which were coming up. They were very conservative because they were not educated as such, and they were not ready to use the various techniques very easily because of their orthodox belief. Still, the small farmers were totally dependent on monsoons for the irrigation because they were not having ample resources to get the latest technology for the irrigation purposes on one front, and on another front they were very orthodox and conservative. They never wanted to change their way of cultivating the lands. Next is defective land tenure system. So the whatever tenure system was there, that is, there was jamidari system going on and the farmers were having small holdings. So those defective land tenure system, they were still persisting. And even fixation of land, maximum land fixation was carried out under the Land Ceiling Act. That was also not working. Why? Because the big jamidars, they transferred their land in the name of their servants and they themselves became the masters. Thus, the the effectiveness of Land Ceiling Act was not fully used, and this land tenure system kept on cribbling and cribbing the agriculture. Next is uneconomic small holdings. Small holdings were not very convenient, and it was not easy and cheaper to use the best technology machines on these small holdings. Credit facility was also not proper. Marketing facilities were also not very easy. Credit, because the banking system was there, they were there to help the small farmers, but the procedure was too long and the illiterate small farmers were not able to understand and complete the formalities required for credit requirements. So they never used it. And marketing facility, of course, again, marketing facility was not that easy and convenient because of lack of proper transportation system. Old techniques still continued in the agriculture because of the small holdings, and poor farmers were not able to buy the better quality technology. Crop losses due to various pests and monsoon failures, that also was one of the very drawback of agriculture, problem faced by the agricultural farmers. Disguise and seasonal unemployment kept there. Disguise means more people were employed than required in the agriculture. The whole family kept on working on the agriculture field even when they are not required. Because our agriculture was seasonal in nature, still after so many changes, so the seasonal unemployment kept on persisting there. Next is lack of agricultural research. So no proper agricultural research was carried out except for some agricultural crops, especially food crops. So these were the various problems faced under the period of 1950 to 1990. Now, the agricultural development during 1950 to 1990. We can conclude it in three main points. One is, of course, agriculture production increased and productivity also increased. This is one of the development we have attained. The second is we became self-sufficient. There was huge shortage of food crops, and due to that many people died of such starvation, but that problem was solved. Now the country became self sufficient. And last but not the least, the GDP of agriculture sector declined. Decline means decreased. Now the contribution from other sector increased, that is your secondary sector and tertiary sector. Dependence on agriculture sector is not a good sign for a developed economy. So decrease in the contribution from agriculture sector shows a very healthy sign of development in the Indian economy. So that's all. We have concluded the agricultural development during the period of 1950 to 1990. In the next video, we'll be discussing about the industrial development and the measures adopted by the government for the same. Thank you.